Hi, this is Chris from AtlasIED at ISE 2025. Wanted to real quick show the on-wall for Atmosphere that we just came out with. It's an easy way not to have a rack, worry about a rack system. If you need it on maybe a gym wall or something like this, you can put all of your cabling in here, connect power straight up into the wall, hide all your cables with the closing door with the lock. It's an easy way to just simply mount straight on the wall an Atmosphere. It comes in the powered 8 version and pretty easy and simple. So if you have any questions, go to our website, AtlasIED.com. Thanks.